Hey, what is up? So, last time we made an art. It didn't go very well. So I'm gonna make an art. I'm gonna show you the options I put on it. So you know. I'm just leaving everything normal. I'm not gonna cheat and do all this stuff like that and whatnot. I didn't even turn that all the way up so I get a bunch of stuff and whatnot. Oh, whoops. Oop, oop. Okay. Hold on. That is better. Oh, what the heck, what the heck, what the heck, what the heck? Oh, I already have a character. Kill me. I wanna die. Yay. Okay, now. Wish there was a hairstyle option. Wise. We're gonna obviously put my name, Matthew. Create new survivor. Let me just take a moment and do that so you can see everything. Okay. Rocks. Spawned right with a ton of rocks. And a tree. Okay. On what? Speed. I need more thatch. Then for this, I need flint and wood. I'm gonna punch it because I have a better chance of getting wood from punching it. Gonna find a big pot for some plant and some other stuff. There's some weird things. Boing, 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 boing. Wood. Give me the wood. Okay. Now, I just collect resources until I rank up. Oh, I could do. Let's get a head start on the cloth clothing and just pick at these so I get all these fibers. I was just looking at what dinosaur that is. Gotta keep doing it till I rank up. How close am I? Close. Let's get some more things. Go up, dude, go up. Yeah. Get this last bush. I'm not upgrading my food so I don't have to eat as much. I have 5. I can just come up here and unlock all this stuff. But I'm not, because I need a campfire. What do I need? Stone and wood. Good thing I have an axe. An axe will provide me with both of those things. Stone. Wait. Stone. Wood. Now I'm gonna campfire if I can. Okay. I'm wondering why I leave an empty spot there at the beginning. It's for who's it? A spear. Or a club. Just whatever I choose or decide to make. Protect myself. Trikes. Skin. Gonna collect bushes for fiber. Spam and Y.